So my name is Alvaro Cassinelli. I'm a researcher at the University of Tokyo, working on human-computer interfaces, and lately I'm doing also media arts. That's probably why I'm here. So,
こんにちは、アルバロ・カシネリです。普段は、東京大学の方で、助教をやっております。今は、そういう大学で活動しながらも、メディアアート作品を制作したりしています。
Yeah, so yeah, I was very honored to be here, and also I was like wondering exactly why, what kind of questions. That was a word, kind of. I thought it was more free about talking more, asking questions. So I didn't really know like what you want to know about a scientist doing art. Is this some question? I try to put together some kind of reflection that I've been having, but it's more about my own like history. So I don't have answers.
どちらかというと科学者の立場に近い私がどのような感じでアートのフィールドに関わっているかということを説明する上で今回こういう場に来られたことを大変光栄に思います。
So actually I have more questions for you about that. So lately I've been also working with Jussi and Daito, so I learned a lot about that, and I'm trying to understand better that. So something it's very interesting that Jussi said, like a designer creates language for others, and also Daito in a way has this, people use the technology and people, even dancers, start moving in a certain way which is different from the previous like way of moving. So that's the thing I'm sort of understanding, that when you are leading on some kind of technology, you are also creating a language, and it's better to try to show to people not just in the context of a conference, but maybe in the media arts.
普段から先ほどプレゼンテーションしてもらったユッシーさんや、真鍋さんと活動したりしたこともあるんですけれども、彼らの言っているデザイナーは言語を作るんだっていうコンセプトにすごい共感を持ちます。
So that's the first slide. I have 60. So
60分の1のスライドなんですけれども、何よりでしょうか。
So just say, Daito presented very well what his background. I'm not gonna talk too much, but just say that my background is physics.
物理を専攻しています。
So and then telecommunications. Maybe I have also background in my family. My brothers and visual artists.
家族もみんなアーティストです。
So that's my other like yin yang side. So somehow I had this influence. So, well, I tried very hard to make some kind of coherent. I wanted to talk about design. I mean, trying to make some serious talk. I really couldn't make something very coherent. So maybe some keywords. Some trying to see what I'm doing. And maybe I discovered, but just doing some of the things I've been working on. The one thing that interests me is this. No. 頑張ってください。
普段なるべく話を大きくあまり狭い範囲でなく、なるべく大きな範囲で話を進めたいとは思いますが、ひとまず、自分の活動について、説明していきたいと思います。
So one thing maybe is blurring of boundaries between the digital world, what could be, well, in general, my scientific world, and the real world of interaction, like everyday interaction. So with the very concrete examples, I don't have much time, so before you translate, I put this slide. For instance, projecting on things that are not screens, that are like hard and non-organic. So this idea of making a bridge into the digital. 頑張ってください。
科学者としての立場からいわゆるスクリーンを使わずにいかに映像を投影するかであるとか、その映像を、普通のコントロールの仕方ではないコントロール、ちょっと違ったアプローチでコントロールするといったようなことを、研究しています。
So yeah, one thing is I was noticing when you just put this projection. This is very interesting. You know, it's a flexible thing. No, really, I'm not joking. And you have this here that is hard, and imagine you can do that. You project in any place and things that are really looks natural. So that will be a kind of goal to create a world of ubiquitous displays that have this organic feeling. So.
例えばそこに映ってる、パソコンだと、硬い表面に映像が投影されているのに対して、これだと柔らかい布に投影されているように、いろんなものに、映像を投影することができる中で、どういった面白いことができるかというような。
So this goes again in the direction of what they were saying. You have technology like an LCD display, and people prepare content for the LCD display, but displaying, showing images is a very much like a large endeavor. I mean, you.
つまり、中の映像のコンテンツを作ることに対しては、もういろんなたくさんのコンテンツが世の中に今出回っていますが、そのフレームであるディスプレイ、それ自体をどう扱うかっていう部分に関してはまだほとんど手がついてないのではないかと思います。
So here's just an example, some work I did in collaboration with an architect, Nagashira. It's just mobile screens made of glass. We put some kind of powder in them, so it looks like it's dirty. And at the same time, you see some images of elephant that moves, interact with you.
これは流体、粉を使ったスクリーンで、モバイルサーフェス、携帯型、スクリーンというべきでしょうか、もので、少しこう、歪んで見えたりとか、そういうことがあったりします。建築とのコラボレーションで制作しました。
So something that you see also is that these kind of screens are also walls, and a screen is an object that somehow already separated space. So it was interesting to think about that. So another work here that somehow builds on that idea of the screen as a wall, and in this case it's deformable too. So yeah.
So, これだとあとスクリーンとともに、これは so you control the timeline.
Well, I mean, the problem of the timeline, I'm not talking about that, just the idea of the screen. Yeah, here you can see it working. But, well, yeah, that's about the content, but I'm talking more here, the idea of the screen as something that is organic, and it's...
スクリーンが有機的にどのような形態であったり意味を取り得るかというような部分のアプローチです。
So, actually, if you do that, you can touch the images. Then, of course, this is a project, as a media art project. Yeah.
例えばそのスクリーンを触ってみるであるとか、ただ見る対象としてではなく、どう接していくかで見るものとの関係性であったりとか、そういうものも考えています。